We'll guide you through how to make a monthly planner in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Start screen fully loads before continuing. Then, create a new workbook by selecting Blank Workbook. Make sure you are working on an empty worksheet so you can design everything from scratch. Decide the purpose of your planner, such as organizing tasks, schedules, or daily activities. At the top of the worksheet, create a clear title such as Monthly Planner, and then add the specific month and year you want to use. Increase the font size of the title so it stands out clearly, and use the Merge and Center feature to align it neatly across the page. Next, create a calendar table with 7 columns representing the days of the week from Monday to Sunday, and add 5 or 6 rows to accommodate all dates in the month. Adjust the column width and row height to provide enough space for writing. Enter the names of the days in the first row of the table, then start filling in the dates according to the selected month. Make sure the dates begin on the correct day and continue until all dates in the month are filled in. After that, add space for notes within each date cell so you can include additional details. You can also use different colors to distinguish weekdays and weekends, making the planner easier to read. Highlight important dates or deadlines with special colors, and apply conditional formatting if needed to automate visual cues. Next, add a separate section for a monthly to-do list to track your priorities. Include an additional area for notes or personal goals beside the calendar. Adjust the overall layout so it looks neat and not overcrowded. Review all dates and formatting carefully to ensure everything is correct. Make sure there are no mistakes in the placement of days and dates. Refine fonts, colors, and table size if necessary to improve readability. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the sorting process to ensure all changes are stored properly and can be accessed later without losing your updated data.